competition law in very simple words means creating a structure or creating a statutes in order to maintain the market forces or in order to create a proper equilibrium position for both the buyers as well as the seller. So the term competition law is basically designed by the framers in the year 2002. Prior to that, we used to have a act known as MRTP, that is Monopoly Regulatory Trade Practice Act. But there were certain loopholes and lacuna with that act. Therefore, we shifted to that of Competition Act. You'll be finding good webinars, seminar related to that of corporate law. Anyone else who
Thank
want
you,
to
sir.
ask?
Thank you, sir. I'm actually aspiring for company secretaryship. Would you recommend me taking BBA LLB honors? Like, will it be helping me for company secretary, or how should I proceed, sir?
So just tell me one thing, are you from a commerce background?
Yes, sir. I have taken commerce in my plus one.
Perfect. So if you do have commerce, go for BBA LLB, because since you are very much inclined toward that of corporate law, definitely BBA LLB do have an edge over BA. And since you are from commerce background, you are pretty much acquainted with that of accounting and business study. So definitely when you'll be reading BBA LLB, you will be getting into touch of these subjects with an in-depth thing. And this will be definitely helping you in that of company secretary goals. PhD will not be adding anything extra. If a person, for example, Guna was asking me that he wants to pursue BBLL. For example, Guna entered into the market in the year 2021 itself, and a person entered into the market after completing PhD in 2022, let's say, definitely Guna do have an upper edge because he is already in the market. But there are certain initiatives, there are certain governmental projects, there are certain company projects which do have a specific requirement of doctorate, and since these person at that point so in judicial services the minimum requirement is of law. There is no need to pursue PG LLM. And immediately after completing that of graduation, a person is entitled to sit into that particular examination. So we do have a culture that is state-wise judiciary. So there are core law subjects such as IPC, CPC, CRPC, Constitution, Contract. These are the basic subject, which is like in each and every state they do have these subjects. Where after these subjects there are certain state laws, for example, Haryana Land Revenue Act, Haryana Land Acquisition Act, Rajasthan Land Revenue Act. So these are core subject related to particular judiciary. For example, a person giving RJS, that is Rajasthan Judicial Services, so he or she will be focusing on these subjects in addition.